Welcome to this YouTube video on how to become a millionaire. In this video, we'll cover the steps you need to take to achieve financial freedom and join the Millionaire Club. We'll talk about the mindset you need to adopt, the strategies you should use, and the habits you should cultivate to become a millionaire. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow that will help you achieve your financial goals. Step 1. Develop a millionaire mindset. Becoming a millionaire requires a certain mindset that separates successful people from those who struggle financially. A millionaire mindset is characterized by optimism, resilience, discipline, and a willingness to take risks. Here are some tips to help you develop a millionaire mindset. 1.1. Focus on your goals. Millionaires know what they want and work hard to achieve their goals. Define your financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. 1.2. Believe in yourself. Success starts with believing in yourself. Believe that you can become a millionaire and that you have what it takes to achieve your goals. 1.3. Be disciplined. Millionaires are disciplined and focused. They work hard and stay committed to their goals, even when faced with challenges. 1.4. Take calculated risks. Millionaires are not afraid to take risks, but they do so in a calculated way. Assess the risks and rewards before making a decision. Step 2. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. It means developing your skills, knowledge, and abilities to increase your earning potential. Here are some ways to invest in yourself. 2.1 Education. Take courses, attend seminars, and read books to improve your skills and knowledge. 2.2 Networking. Build a network of contacts that can help you in your career or business. 2.3 Personal development. Work on improving your communication skills, time management, and other soft skills. 2.4 Health. Take care of your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, and get enough sleep. Step 3. Start a business. Starting a business is one of the best ways to become a millionaire. It allows you to leverage your skills, knowledge, and resources to create wealth. Here are some steps to start a successful business. 3.1. Identify a profitable niche. Choose a niche that has high demand and low competition. 3.2. Develop a business plan. Create a detailed plan that outlines your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. 3.3. Build a team. Hire employees or contractors who can help you grow your business. 3.4. Market your business. Use social media, advertising, and other marketing strategies to promote your business. Step 4. Invest in real estate. Real estate is a proven wealth-building strategy that has created many millionaires. Here are some ways to invest in real estate. 4.1. Buy rental properties. Purchase rental properties that generate passive income. 4.2 Flip houses. Buy properties that need renovation, renovate them, and sell them for a profit. 4.3. Invest in REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. 4.4 Crowdfunding. Invest in real estate crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate with small amounts of money. Step 5. Manage your money wisely. Managing your money wisely is crucial to becoming a millionaire. Here are some tips to help you manage your money. 5.1 Budgeting. Create a budget and stick to it. This will help you track your expenses and avoid overspending. 5.2 Saving. Save a portion of your income each month. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. 5.3 Investing. Invest your savings.